how to delete your Edge wallet account. So if you want to delete your Edge wallet account, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Edge wallet app, and this is the type of interface that you will see where you want to make sure that you sign in to the correct wallet which you want to delete. After that, on the top right hand side you can see the three lines icon. Tap on the three lines icon, and from here you simply want to go to the option that says settings. Once you go to settings, first you have to tap on this option that says tap to unlock account setting and simply enter your confirm and password first. So let me go ahead and enter my password. Once I've entered my password, tap on submit. Now you'll enable these options. Here, just tap on the red button that says delete account and then tap on it. Once done, you simply have to agree to the terms and conditions. Then after that, tap on the confirm and finish option. So to delete your account, just enter your username. So go ahead and then enter your username right here. Then once done, your account, which is your wallet or Edge wallet, will be successfully deleted. That's all it takes for you to delete your Edge wallet or account. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.